everybody. I'm Veronica, and if you don't know me yet, I'm your art teacher this year, and today we're going to be doing some Pilates. And this is Mazzy. She's in pre-K. I'm Mazzy's mom too, and she's going to do our Pilates with us also, so we can all do it together. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is sit down and bring your feet forward. And when you bring your feet forward, just going to pick your hands up underneath your legs. And let's see if we can lift one leg up. Whoa, Mazzy's already got both legs up. One leg up. Let's see if we can lift the other leg up. Whoop. And can you put one down? And the other foot down. Let's try it again. One leg up. Other leg up. One leg down. Other leg down. Let's see if we could do that without our hands under our legs. You want to try it, Maz?
Yeah.
So let's take our hands out and we'll lift one leg up and other leg up. Whoop. And one leg down. Other leg down. You think we could do both legs together? Let's try both legs together. Whoa, both legs together and both legs down. Let's do it 2 more times. Ready? Both legs together. Both legs down. One more time. Both legs and down. Let's do a butterfly stretch. So we'll bring our feet together, soles of our feet together, knees open, and just fold forward over your legs. You might feel a little stretch on the outside of your thighs, right on the outside of your legs, and you can even pull your feet a little bit and pull your head down. Take a stretch. All right, we're gonna take this into our rolling like a ball exercise. You ready, Mazzy?
Mm-hmm.
So we're gonna come up. Let's take our hands back underneath our legs and we'll lift our feet. Now if it feels like you can't lift your feet, that's okay. We're gonna roll back just like that, okay? So it's kind of goofy feeling at first. We're gonna roll back and see if we can roll back up. Roll back and roll back up. Whoop. Roll back and roll back up. Let's keep doing it. And let's see if you're not getting all the way up, there's a couple things that you can do, right, Mass? So if you're getting stuck, you can pull your feet a little further away, right? And you can use a little more speed. All right, so if you're getting stuck, pull your feet out ahead of you and see if you can get there. Woohoo! Good job, Loops. Back and up. Now, if you feel like you've got it, if you feel like it's pretty comfortable and you feel like you can do it and you can get all the way up, and it's okay if you can't get up, right, Moops?
Yeah.
Yeah. So if you can't get all the way up, or if you are getting all the way up and you feel like you want to try something harder, you can take your hands in front of your legs and see if you can get a little bit tighter in a ball. Okay, you can do your turn in 1 second. Let's go back. And roll up. Woo! Back. And roll up. Now we're going to try something a little different with the same move. This one is called your seal. So for your seal, we're going to open up the knees. Remember, you get special treatment. Come on. Open up your knees. And we got our feet together. Now with your feet together, I want you to tap 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Now this is the tricky part. Can you come back and stay there and tap?
Nope.
1, 2, 3, and back up. 1, 2, 3, and roll back. 1, 2, 3, and roll up. Woo! And if you get stuck, we have a little trick, don't we, Mazzy? We have a little trick if you get stuck. Let's say you're back there and you can't get your legs up. If you put one foot down, keep one leg up and hold onto the back of your leg and pull up with the leg, you can get yourself back up. You want to try it? Underneath, and then pull it up. There you go. And then you can always push up on the floor, huh? Can you get up? There you go. All right. So this is your rolling like a ball exercise. You can roll like a ball as many times as you want. You can do it with your hands under your legs. You can do it with your hands in front of your shins. Or you can do it with your feet open, like your seal.